Hello everyone, welcome to Service Now Gyan. In this video, we will talk about HR bulk case creation. So before diving into the topic, let's first understand what is HR bulk case creation and why it is important in HRSD. By name, we can simply assume that creating HR cases in bulk. So this module allows HR to create multiple same type of HR cases with just one click without having to create the same case multiple times. Now question is why we need this kind of functionality in HRSD. So often we have seen in organization for some payroll issues or annual recertification processes or onboarding new hires, we need to create multiple cases to cater the requirement. So if we go by creating single case creation for particular individual, it will take more time. In such scenario, we can go with HR bulk case creation module, and it can save your time and effort, hence increasing the HR efficiency. Now let's jump to our ServiceNow demo instance and try to understand how to create bulk cases. But before that, let's talk about the role required to create bulk cases. So the role required is HR admin. But one things to be noted here, previously the HR case writer role was required. Later it was decided to change the required role to HR admin, and that is because bulk case creation involves a large number of cases. So if you want employees with the HR case writer role to create bulk cases, you can update the ACL of the bulk case request table. Now to create bulk cases, you will have to navigate to HR case management and then create bulk cases. So let's navigate to our demo instance. So here you can see that in under HR case management application, we have a module create bulk cases. So let's click on that. So we have multiple ways in which you can filter the audience and create bulk cases. Like we have upload file, HR criteria, user criteria, HR profiles, users. So let's talk about the upload file. So if you are going to create bulk cases with upload file method, first you will have to download the template and then you will have to fill the details. And also don't forget to upload an Excel file with a username or email as the first column of the file. The header of the first column must be username if user name is being uploaded, and email if email is being uploaded. Like if you are putting username in the Excel sheet, you will have to select user underscore name template here, and if you are putting email in the Excel sheet, you will have to select email templates here. So it depends like what you are using there. Now the second option is HR criteria. So you will have to select HR criteria here, and based on that audience will get filtered, and the cases will created based on that HR criteria. So if you are not aware of HR criteria, I will recommend you to please go through my previous video that is related to HR criteria, because I am going to use the same HR criteria created in my previous video. Now the third one is user criteria. So you will have to select here user criteria which is already created to filter the users. Now we have the fourth one as HR profiles. So you have ability to put conditions and filter HR profiles and create bulk cases. The fifth one is users. So you can put conditions here and filters users directly and create bulk cases. So we can go with any approaches as per our convenience and need. So now in this video I will go through the HR criteria, and I will use the HR criteria which I have created in my previous video. Now let's select the HR criteria that I have created in my previous video, that is country of birth is USA. So here you can see that it is showing 20 users selected. It means when we submit this bulk case request, 20 HR cases will get created. Now we have a checkbox all cases have same open for. It means if you will select this checkbox, all cases will have same open for. For example, this can be used when HR manager wants visibility on these cases. So in this case we can check it. So right now I am leaving it unchecked. Here we will have to select the HR service, so for which we are going to create the HR cases. So I will select here payroll discrepancy, and you can put short description as per your convenience. Now we have a checkbox called create a parent case, and I personally believe this is a very good functionality, because in bulk case creation we might create 100, 200 or more than 500 case, and tracking and managing those all cases will be a difficult task. So with the help of this checkbox you can easily track and manage all cases, because all cases will reside under single parent. So let's check it, and now let's click on the create cases button. So here you can see that we have a info message like bulk case creation job has been submitted. So you can click on this bulk case number and track the status, and you can see that we have a HR service as payroll discrepancy, and we have a number and a status as ready. So it means that HR cases have not been created. If the state says completed, it means HR cases have been created. And if the status is in progress, it means that HR cases are generating. You can also track a bulk case creation job by navigating to bulk case request. So if you will put bulk case request, so here you can see that we have created 1004 and we have a 1004 here in a ready state. Now let's understand what is the mechanism behind the bulk case creation. I know maybe you are thinking we have already submitted the bulk case request, but HR cases are not getting created. Why it is taking time to create HR cases, or when HR cases will get created? So actually when we submit bulk case request, there is a scheduled job in backend which is responsible for HR case creation from bulk case request. So let me show you the scheduled job. And let's search for bulk case. And here we go. So here you can see that the repeat interval is set to 6 hours. So it will run with the interval of 6 hours on the bulk case request table, and pick the bulk case request which have a state as ready, and will create the HR cases. So for time being, as for testing purpose, let's click the button execute now. Otherwise we will have to wait till the scheduled job runs. So let's click on execute now. Now let's navigate to bulk case request. So right now you can see it is in progress right now, and once it's get completed, we will get a related link to see our all cases created. So here you can see that now it changes to completed, and we have a related link, so cases created. So let's click on that. So here 21 cases gets created, in which one is the parent case and 20 uh, cases are child cases. One thing to be noted here, HR bulk case creation is designed to create up to 10,000 basic HR cases or 1,000 cases using workflows such as lifecycle event cases. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please provide your valuable inputs or suggestions. Also, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Good luck and happy learning.